Crypto ATMs in Canada are becoming a thing, and they combine two of people's favorite activities, converting money and pressing buttons. But the big draw here? You can buy or sell cryptocurrency instantly without needing a fancy online platform. The convenience of it is insane. Imagine standing in a grocery store parking lot and turning your cash into Bitcoin in less than 2 minutes. That's basically magic. Crypto ATMs strip out the complicated onboarding process of exchanges. But let's address the first pain point: fees. They're not small. Most crypto ATMs in Canada charge anywhere from 6% to 12% per transaction. That's not pocket change. You're paying for convenience, and convenience doesn't come cheap. Step by step, here's how it works. First, locate a machine. There are over 2,700 in Canada, so they're everywhere. Sites like Coin ATM Radar are lifesavers for finding one nearby. A quick search with your postal code, and boom, you're set. Next, once you find the ATM, you select whether you're buying or selling crypto. For purchases, you'll need to scan your wallet's QR code. No crypto wallet? That's issue number 2. Fix it by downloading a trusted app like Trust Wallet. Scan your QR code, enter how much cash you're trading, and slip the bills into the machine. Pro tip: bring crisp bills. A lot of ATMs tend to reject wrinkled or torn cash, and you don't need that drama at the screen. Selling Bitcoin? That's the other side of this. You'll send Bitcoin from your wallet to the machine's wallet address. It's just copy-pasting a long number, but don't mess it up. One typo, and you're waving goodbye to your money. And here's where it gets tricky. Not all crypto ATMs have cash-out options. Many only let you buy crypto. That's an awkward day if you show up with the expectation of getting cold hard cash. Always double-check the machine's capabilities. Another complaint: ID requirements. Some machines require you to verify your identity by scanning a government-issued ID and even taking a selfie. I get it. It's annoying. But regulations in Canada are strict, and this is just part of the deal. Let's talk pros. Crypto ATMs are great for security, especially for avoiding scammy exchanges online. You don't have to link your bank account or deal with wire transfers. In terms of anonymity, they often beat traditional platforms. One downside? A lot of newcomers expect the ATM to explain cryptocurrency itself. Spoiler, it won't. If you don't understand what you're doing, stumble in unaware, and just mash buttons, there's a real chance you'll lose money. For what they are, crypto ATMs are cool. They simplify access to digital currencies and make the whole concept feel more tangible. But make no mistake, these machines are for people who value speed over stretching every dollar.